इसका जवाब भी बड़ा सीधा है, नहीं। मेरी राय में जितना भी कुछ मैंने सीखा है दुनिया के बारे में, हमारी प्लैनेट की हिस्ट्री के बारे में, एवोल्यूशन के बारे में, ये सारी चीज़ों को समझकर मैंने जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करी है, मेरी राय में कोई भगवान, कोई अल्लाह, कोई गॉड एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता।
The atheists will always avoid this question. What is the proof for the existence of Allah Jalla wa'ala? Something that each and every one of you can take with you. You will refute them, you will confute them, you will shut them up.
If the deistic God thought all that through and set up the laws of physics, then he would have to be damn clever. He would have to be the physicist to end all physicists. I don't care if he then withdraws. He needs an explanation in his own right. The whole enterprise of evolutionary biology is to explain how you get prodigious complexity and design from virtually nothing. I mean, we hand over to physicists when we can go beyond the virtually nothing to the absolutely nothing.
Quantum vacuum, quantum fields, energy fields, laws of physics, space, all of that is something. Someone says that something comes out of nothing and you don't accept it. And for instance, he buys the chicken. And then he names the chicken nothing. And whenever he sees the chicken, he says, that's nothing. Why? Because he's named it nothing. He says, that's nothing. And then when the chicken lays an egg, then he says, look, something came out of nothing. Something came out of nothing. You will say, that's not nothing. That's a chicken, but you've called it nothing. You've given it that name to prove your point.
मगर सुनिए मगर हकीकत ये है कि वहाँ शख्सी आज़ादी राय देने की, बोलने की नहीं है।
जी, ये एक आखिरी सवाल मुफ्ती साहब से। हाँ मैम, इनको माइक दीजिए।
शुक्रिया। मेरा नाम मनीषा है, मैं हरियाणा से आई हूँ। मैं मुफ्ती साहब से एक बात पूछना चाहती हूँ। आप बार बार जावेद साहब को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट तो कर रहे हैं कि आपने ये कहा, लेकिन आप भी अजम्पशंस के बेसिस पे बात कर रहे हैं। आपने खुदा के होने का कौन सा प्रूफ पेश किया है, खुदा की एग्जिस्टेंस का? अब इस सवाल को अलग रहने दीजिए, कौन एथीस्ट है कौन नहीं है।
How do we refute atheists? The challenge is from Allah Jalla wa'ala. Allah Jalla wa'ala says in the Quran, and this is the best, most powerful, logical challenge. In light of reason, the atheists will always avoid this question. You know, whenever you present the Quranic argument, they will avoid this. And this is something I want each and every one of you to take with you. What is the proof for the existence of Allah Jalla wa'ala? Something that each and every one of you can take with you. Any atheist that